Hi, I'm Eleanor Silverstein, and today I'm here with Alan Fraser. Alan's going to be teaching a wonderful workshop at our upcoming Feldenkrais conference called The Transformative Power of the Feldenkrais Method for Musical Performance. Alan, please tell us a little bit about this.
Great. The main thing about Feldenkrais for me was this idea of skeletal organization. As a pianist, I realized that the finger is a mini leg, the hand is a mini pelvis, the forearm is a mini torso. And we were taught to play using the weight of the arm, which means I press every key down, but nobody walks like that. So when we start gliding from step to step on the piano, the sound changes, it blossoms. The piano is released from this kind of being forced to sound. So there's a complete transformation just by bringing that idea of skeletal organization to piano technique. Of course, there are many ramifications, but the basic idea in itself is transformative. I also found working with other musicians, instrumentalists, singers, that most of us are hyperextended. We try too hard. And of course, if I'm weighting the key, then I'm going to try with my body to weight that key as well. So doing the three cardinal directions of movement while playing one's instrument or while singing, an amazing thing happens when the strain goes away, when the spine takes over. The spine starts to generate the musical intention. It's really quite extraordinary. And so being a performer, I have certain strategies which I know work, because in musical performance, there's certain things you tend to do to push a phrase, but this maintaining one's center of gravity and sitting allows you to just have the phrase blossom instead of pushing it. So this is the kind of thing we're going to be investigating in the workshop, and I do hope you'll share it with me. I'm looking forward to this event very, very much.
I'm looking forward to seeing you. Thank you so much, Alan.
Thank you, Eleanor.
See you soon.